morning, welcome back to another vlog. I literally picked up the camera from yesterday, so I feel like I'm doing a great job from like vlogging back to back to back. Today is Thursday, I'd like to believe, and I do have plans at like 12 p.m. I have plans at 12 p.m. My plan was to go to the social house where we were like the past vlog year. So me and Dida were social house, and we really wanted to go to Inca, but it was closed. And then I planned to go today, and then last night I was just like going through Instagram. I was like, you know what, let me check the page, because I'd never seen like the social house Instagram. And then I realized Inca would be closed today as well for like a private event, so we had to switch it around. Since I was really craving like the Peruvian cuisine with like the sushi and the exotic meats and stuff, we decided to just switch it over to Inti, because I know Inti is a Peruvian style cuisine type of food as well, because I'm really craving some tempura prawns. That's like what's been on my mind for months, although I am allergic to seafood. That's what we'll be getting. I think I will do under eye mask right now, and then do a second mask, the ones that I put the last time, like the jet lag mask. I like using that in the morning a lot because it like locks in the hydration in my skin. But let me do my under eye mask. I wanted to do a sheet mask, I think I'll do that later tonight when I come back. We're back. I got a lot of questions from my last vlog about this masks that I'm using. Guys, I think I mentioned it in the description bar in that video, but it's Good Molecules. I bought them from Beautylish. I've talked about them so many times actually. I got them from Beautylish, and yeah, I had them shipped here. They were $18 per container. Serum everywhere else. Like I said, you just don't have to wear these under your eyes. You could honestly put them anywhere else. So I'm spreading out that serum that's like dripping and stuff. I'm finally ready. I'm still deciding if I should put on lashes or if I should not, but I did a very quick beat. I'm not wearing any foundation. I'm just wearing concealer and then bronzer, blush, highlight, the good stuff. This is my outfit. I pulled out my mango blazer for this. I haven't worn this baby in quite some time actually. And then just like with my pencil skirt and these sneakers. Wait, there we go, zoomed in. These were sent to me. I can't remember the page, but I will leave them down below in the description. But they're like very cute white dad sneakers. I've always wanted one of these, so I'm glad I have them. They have like some neon like detail into them, and then like a cute sunflower up there. Black, whoa, it's zoomed in. Black bodysuit. Let's head out. I'm back finally. I know my plan was to vlog actually when I was out, but I couldn't because they couldn't let me vlog at Inti, which was so sad. But I did take like some, because they told me I have to pay if I'm going to use my camera to film, which was very peculiar, even though I explained like it was for my own personal use. Anyway, that's whatever. And then I passed by Miniso. I just re-upped on the cotton pads that I usually use. I really like this one. These are the Cotton Square Makeup Cotton Pads. Thick and soft texture, suitable for sensitive skin. And it's like a 180 piece cotton pad, and they go for like $309. They last me forever because I cut them in half. And the second thing I picked up is a nail file, which is like the cutest thing ever. Okay, I own like the ones that have like the foam nail files that have like the layer of the file on it, right? Like the paper layer. But I found a glass nail file for like 300, guys. There we go, look. So the file is on this side, and then this is like the flowery part. But yeah, I just came back home. I think I'm gonna chill. We probably have plans afterwards. Me and my sister headed somewhere, but we're not sure yet because we're waiting on the third party. I'll catch you guys once I'm doing something else again. Probably one of my favorite robes. I only have two actually. The gray one that you guys see me with all the time, that has the hood. This one doesn't. This was part of like PR, and it has my name. It has my name. It says Yasmin, and I feel so precious and like cute every time I wear it. Let's go do some morning skincare, because I haven't done that at all today because I've been in bed. But you know we have to wear sunscreen every single day. So we made it to the bathroom. As you guys last remember, I was having like my mental breakdown about my skin. I completely like stopped using actives on my skincare routine, and I started focusing a lot more on my moisture barrier. So I was looking for products to completely fix my moisture barrier, because I realized that was what was damaged and I needed to fix that first and foremost before thinking about anything else. U-Uso, which is like a Korean skincare platform, they have like the best selection of Korean skincare that deals with acne, moisture barrier products, hydration, all the good stuff. I was so excited when I saw their website and everything. So I got a couple of products from there. I got like a basic routine from them that I'm going to be using right now, that I've been using the past couple of months, and I'm so happy how far my skin has come. Like, majority of my texture is gone, my scarring is clearing up, and I guess I would mainly credit these products because it really focused on my moisture barrier. My moisture barrier is stronger than ever. So the first thing I use from U-Uso is the Neogen ya7ska micellar cleansing foam. It has ya7ska, which is really good for moisture barrier and hydrating. Like, it has really hydrating formula, so I do take like a pea-sized amount and work that all over my skin. This cleanser does not strip my skin at all. Even if it's like a foaming cleanser, it's a very hydrating, and that's what I really like about it. When my moisture barrier was like damaged, so many things would sting and a lot of the products would feel like drying on my skin. Like, my skin would like flake off, especially like around here. So this really doesn't cause that. After I've like massaged the cleanser on my skin for like 60 seconds, that way that's like, I feel like enough time for the product, for the ingredients in the product to like do its thing. So that was like 60 seconds, cleansed it off. So as my face is still damp, I go in with a toner. Now, probably like single-handedly saved my skin. Like, okay, not single-handedly, but it played a really large role in like fixing my skin issues, because one thing that my skin needed was hydration, okay, and I wasn't giving it that much hydration. At least all the hydration was stripped out of my skin, and I needed something to bring that back. So when my face is still damp, I use the Laneige Cream Skin Refiner, which is a hydrating moisturizer. Now, this product is a very unique product. On the Laneige website, they describe it as a toner plus moisturizer. It does have the effect of a moisturizer, which is so cool to me. If you have like super oily skin, I feel like you can just apply this and get away with it. If you don't want to put like an extra layer of moisturizer on, it just feels like I have moisturizer on afterwards. So what I do is I take a couple of drops and I work this in. I put this under my eyes as well, over my eyelids as well, because hydration is key everywhere. Look at that. Wow, like my skin feels already hydrated after this. Obviously, I usually take it down my neck. I go in straight with the moisturizer. So when it came to moisturizer, I was looking for anything that had ceramide, because ceramide is like a key factor for restoring your moisture barrier, and that was something I was looking for. I was very excited when I saw the Momond Ceramide Light Cream. It has ceramide in it. Really love it ever. So I don't take like a few dabs. And something else I really like about this moisturizer is it's a very lightweight. It doesn't feel heavy on my skin. It almost feels like water, if that makes sense. Like, once I like move it across, it feels like a toner-ish vibes. I don't know, it's very hydrating. It's not thick, it's very light, like the name says, and it has ceramide, so it's like a win-win. Final step that I go in with after my moisturizer is a sunscreen. Sunscreen was a big deal to me because sunscreen helps with hyperpigmentation. A lot of people don't know that, but it does. When you're exposed to the sun and you do have like hyperpigmentation, the sun tends to make that hyperpigmentation darker. And I was looking for a sunscreen that, one, a very high SPF, so SPF 50 and above, and two, one that does not leave a white cast on. Okay, that was the most important part of my routine. The one that I got is the Centella Green Leaf Safe Sun SPF 50 plus sunscreen. It has UV shield, brightening and anti-wrinkle, calming and moisturizing, non-sticky, and no white cast. This is a water-based sunscreen, so I really like it. It's very light, it spreads easily. It has centella extract in it, which is a great ingredient for soothing, hydrating, and obviously fixing my moisture barrier. The routine is mainly fixed on my moisture barrier, like I said, and these products really came through. I was reading on a lot of tweets from a dermatologist, and she said in order for you to get the amount that is labeled on like the bottle of your sunscreen, SPF, whatever it is, you need to use a quarter teaspoon of sunscreen, which is approximately this amount, the amount of your 2 fingers. So I just like to draw 2 lines, and that goes all over my face and all over my neck as well. But the sunscreen does not leave any white cast, and it does not clog your pores, and it does not leave you, what do you call it, feeling like super greasy and super oily and sticky. It doesn't do that. Like I said, it just like melts seamlessly into the skin. It just took me like literally like 10 seconds to like work that in, which is really good, because as you're working this in, you could give your face like a little massage and a facelift. And there we have it, guys. That is my skincare routine. My skin has literally come from far. Most of this on the side is just probably just like pigmentation. So as this side and on my chin, I barely have like new breakouts. So if you guys are looking to find like original, affordable Korean skincare, U-Uso is like the place to go. The website is easy to use. They have a lot of information there. It's like very well categorized, so you guys get to see all the products that you're looking for. It's very well categorized and easy to find, very affordable, like I said. And they also have like a specialist on chat, which if you have any questions or any concerns, you can literally use their like inbuilt chat system that helps you communicate with like the specialist. I'm going to leave their website link down below at the Instagram page down below for you guys to check them out. I also do have like a coupon code for you guys to get some cash off if you're looking to buy some skincare products, so definitely check them out. This is what I do every morning and every evening, minus the sunscreen at night, obviously. Okay, so I'm back in the room. I just wanted to show you guys in a better lighting how my skin looks very like hydrated and glowy. I really like this. If I'm leaving the house with no makeup, I'll just put on like a mist, like a facial mist. Let's get to work. Now from the kitchen, from washing like my dishes and stuff, but my sister is leaving and she looks so cute, guys. Huh? Just like a black bag. Okay, do you want to show people how you look? She looks so good. Like, I'm so proud of her. I like dressing her. What? Bruh. She said she has plans of her own, so she's already ready and she's leaving. It's a little bit later, quick little lunch break. I ordered some KFC lunchbox. I actually really like the crunch burger. It comes with a soda for like $5.90, and Glove was having like free delivery. But yeah, I'm just gonna stay in bed, watch some chick flick on the iPad. This happiness was short-lived. I'm actually so upset. I ordered the wrong thing. I was supposed to get the crunch burger, but instead I chose like the crunch box 2-piecer with like 2 pieces of chicken. I mean, that's great. I love chicken, but then again, my mind was set on the burger. Kind of sad about that, but I'm still gonna eat. What's up? Long time no see. I haven't vlogged much this week at all, only because I haven't been doing much. Yesterday was Thursday. Yes, yesterday was Thursday and I had plans with a friend. Today is a Friday. It's currently like 11:20. I have a meeting. I'm super excited. Okay, all right, thank you. Okay, I'm finally ready. I'm not wearing any foundation, by the way. I'm just wearing concealer. Like I said, I'm giving my skin time to breathe, but I'm wearing my sister's. This scarf belongs to my sister. I didn't know she had it. It looks quite red with this lighting, but it's not. It's more of like a maroon burgundy shade. Yeah, so bunch of like gold jewelry on this hand and then silver jewelry on this hand. I like mixing metals. I feel like mixing metals is fun. And then I'm wearing like a gold chain and then another like more punky one, silver gold. I love mixing metals. I feel like it's fun, it's spontaneous. After I got out the shower, I just turned on a candle to burn in the room and it smells so good. Let me just show you guys. As you guys know, I'm more of like an oud person, but Sharon has been like raving about the Bath and Body Works candles. So a friend of mine got me this pumpkin apple one. It smells so good. It smells like cinnamon, just like a very warm hug, if that makes sense. Yeah, that's how I would describe this scent. It smells really good. I've burnt it like I think 3 times now. Really love this scent. So I've just been burning this. I just turned it down because I don't want to burn the house down because I'm leaving. It's completely different to the one that I had from Organic Savannah, because this is like soy based candle. This isn't. This one has more of like a natural like fresh scent, while this one smells more like scented, if that makes sense, like more perfumey food vibes. I completely suck at this, but I really like the scent. I was burning it while I was like getting ready and stuff. Set a cool vibe. But yeah, I'm completely ready. I have a matching bag, by the way. I haven't worn this bag in ages. You see how it just like looks exactly like the scarf? This bag is a Zara bag that I got over a year ago, I'd like to believe, or 2 years ago actually. I really like it because I wear it like crossbody. Obviously it has like the handle part where you can carry like this, but it's a bit too like rectangle. What I usually do is I carry it like this, and that's what it looks like. It looks very like chic and like just like easy to wear. I'm ready to go. Hey guys, what's up? What's good? Today is Monday morning. I haven't been vlogging a lot lately, practically like the whole of this week, but the past week, only because I've been not doing much. Like for me, it's usually if I'm not doing much, there's no point for me to vlog because it kind of gets repetitive, it kind of gets boring. But today is a new week. Monday, I woke up a little bit under the weather. I was cramping today, so I was in bed majority of the morning. Then I woke up earlier, just washed my face, so I have to go run some errands to do like some stuff. I'm headed to the bank, then headed to Yaya, then probably grab myself some KFC. This is a problem. Yeah, and I want to make brownies later. I think I included that in a vlog last time, but I didn't show you guys the process and stuff. But today I will show you guys the process, and I'll leave the ingredient list below because I did buy like dark chocolate the other day, and I'm excited to make some brownies when I'm back. Finally made it to the core, and you know what we're gonna bump to? We are gonna bump to sometime last week, I think they had like their visual album, The Midnight Train. So good. Like I've never seen them live, but after that performance I'd really like to see so live. All right, let's go. So good. I thought they like other stuff. I don't like their crushes because I feel like they add too much magic.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Can I have the crunch burger lunchbox? Okay, can I, what else can I do? Okay, I'll just do like the sweet chili wrap. Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
It's a little bit later. I think I'm just, am I focused? But yeah, it's a little bit later. I think I'm gonna go make my brownies right now and have them done. Honestly, the recipe I use is like my sister's the one who showed it to me, and it's like the preparation I would say is like less than 10 minutes. Honestly, it's like baking time is like 35. Okay, so we have the wet ingredients here. Currently putting the dry ingredients. This is like 90 grams of flour, cocoa powder, some coffee, and salt. I'm watching How to Get Away with Murder. Back in my dungeon. The brownies are done. Ta-da! These brownies are honestly so good. I've had them before, so it is not like a first time. So good. I saved the rest for like the family and me like in the next couple of days, so that I just don't have to rebuild and have like a quick yummy chocolatey snack. The batch honestly could last me for a very long time. Some Netflix, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.